brisket.
Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're grilling up some Barbecue Pit Boys chocolate chip cookie cheeseburgers at the pit, and it's real easy to do. All right, you're going to need some ground beef for this recipe. You're going to need some seasoning like some SPG. You're going to need some chocolate chips. Here we've got some horseradish. You're going to need some bread and butter pickles. You're going to need some olive oil. You're going to need an onion. And you're going to need some butter, and you're going to need some cheese. Simple enough, and it's real easy to do, just like I said. All right, now, if you've never had chocolate chip cookie cheeseburgers before, you're missing something out of your life. This is some good eating at the pit, and the kids of all ages will be lining up. You got to check this out. So now, we've put in the bowl 1/2 pound of ground beef, and to that we're adding about a tablespoon of SPG seasoning. And we're going to add a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. Now, you can use the dark chocolate or you can use the sweet. It's up to you. Here we've got about a tablespoon of horseradish going in, and that is optional. That'll be pitmaster privilege. And you're going to give it a little mix. I told you it's going to be easy to do. Yeah. Oh, man. Chocolate chip cookie cheeseburgers. They're outrageous. You can't make enough of them. Now, we're going to form a burger, of course. You know all about that, right? So we got a 1/2 pound of meatball here. And just in case you missed it or went to the refrige, we'll show you how to do it again. Perfect. Now that's a burger, 1/2 pound burger. Again, add your SPG, or at least some salt and pepper. Add a 1/2 cup, more or less, of your chocolate chips. Add some of your horseradish. That kicks it up a bit, a little background heat. Never enough chocolate chips, right? Give it a mix. You want to make sure the cookie dough is well blended, of course. Now, for those of you who don't know, you can find your chocolate chips in the baking section of your grocery store, right? But most of you know that. Ooh, take a look at that. Now, a lot of you like to eat your cookie dough, but nah, this is ground beef. You want to cook it first. And yeah, chocolate and beef go together. They pair well. Perfect. Take a look at that. Now you're going to need some onion with this, and we're going to use it as a topping for our chocolate chip burger. So we'll chop up the onions, add a tablespoon of butter, a little shot of olive oil, and we'll fry them up. Simple enough. Now, as a pitmaster, you could use what condiments you like when serving up this burger. All right. Onions are sautéed. The chimney is fired up. And we're going to be grilling this opposite the hot coals, indirect. You know all about that. We got our temperature where we want it. About 325 to 350 degrees. We're cooking indirect. We want full control over this heat. So in a way, we're kind of baking this. This allows everything to come together and not fall apart if you're over the direct flames. All right. The onions are done. Again, I told you this was going to be simple, right? And there's nothing like a Choco beef burger, I am telling you. Ooh. Perfect. All right. Again, we're almost 3/4 way through this. You want to cook it to an internal temperature of about 160 degrees Fahrenheit. It is ground beef. If you grind your own beef, then you can go maybe 140, 145. All right. Now, in the miracle of time, These chocolate chip cookie cheeseburgers are cooked, so we're just going to toast up some buns. It won't take long. Oh, man. Oh, man. I hope you went to the fridge for a cold one and into the cupboard for some peanut butter, because this one's driving me crazy. All right, so we're toasting the buns just a little bit, again indirect so you don't burn the buns. And we're going to layer on some of these sauteed onions right on top. Now again, it's Pitmaster privilege. Choose what you like. All right. Oh. Then we're going to add a couple of slices of sharp cheddar cheese. Use your favorite melting cheese for this, right? There's some great cheeses out there. So we'll just use a couple slices of each. And just let it melt. Only takes a few minutes. All right. Oh, man. I hope you're ready for these chocolate chip cookie cheeseburgers, man. I'll tell you what. They're already lining up. They're already lining up. They're on the other side of the fence. But they're coming. Now, we'll put a little mayo. Use what you like on the bun. And take a look at that. Lord have mercy. Not to be outdone, we're going to add a couple of course, these bread and butter pickles. They're very, very sweet. If you've never had them before, check them out. They complement this dish excellent. So, let us guess. This is the part where the pitmaster is going to eat it in front of you, and he's not going to apologize, and you can see why. All right, that's a slasher bite right there. Look at that chocolate. Woo-wee. And it is good. Now, because we know you're asking, we're going to take our 10-inch butcher here. We're going to slice it in the middle so you can take a look what it looks like inside. Oh, Lord have mercy. Look at that chocolate melt inside. All over. Are you kidding me? So, to get this recipe, head on over to our website, and the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.